Hey guys, this is Lindsay with Chalk Palette, and today I want to show you how fun and easy it is to create cute little shirts using our Peachy Keen Chalk Transfer. I love this one because it comes with basically two designs for the price of one. A cute saying that says Lemon Fresh and the other one that says Peachy Keen, and I'm going to use the two designs to create matching twinner sibling shirts for my girls. So starting off, I'm just adding the ink mat underneath the shirt. It's adhesive on one side so it holds your shirt in place, and it also helps so the ink doesn't bleed through your material when you apply it. So first go ahead and put your transfer on, center it on your shirt, and then you'll smooth it out, make sure it's stuck down really good so ink doesn't bleed underneath your design. Grab your ink. Now this stuff is permanent, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. It dries within 24 hours, so I don't have to worry about working fast. But you do want to make sure that you don't get it anywhere else on your shirt. If you do, you'll want to wash it off immediately. So once you have it applied the whole area, go ahead and peel it up slowly. That turned out really cute. Then I'm going to do my second shirt. This is the fresh lemon one. I'm going to go ahead and place it on my shirt, spread it down, make sure there's no air bubbles. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the chalk ink. So again, I like to move in one direction. I like to go up and down or side to side and not move it all over. Like this way it helps it so that your ink doesn't bleed underneath your design. And then once you have that down, go ahead and peel it up. Look how cute. So you'll just want to go ahead and peel it up nice and slow. And then you're going to either let it dry for 24 hours or you can speed up the drying process with a hair blow dryer. I'm going to add some leaves real quick for our peach. And since my ink isn't dry, I'm holding off the tip of the leaf so it doesn't get into the wet design of my peach. I could blow dry to not have this be anything, but I'm too lazy to do that right now. And voila! Once this is dry, I'll cover it in parchment paper and then just iron it for 2 minutes and it's good to go.